In the VW ID4 EV, climate controls can be accessed through the infotainment system touchscreen. From the home screen, touch the climate icon, then the classic climate tab. For ease of use, the auto selection maintains the temperature, fan speed, and air distribution automatically based on the number of occupants. The temperature for either side of the cabin can be adjusted by tapping the plus or minus icons, or by using the touch sliders under the display. Touch the fan icon to adjust the blower speed. If the fan is adjusted manually, auto will turn off. Manually select any combination of panel vents, footwell vents, or defrost vents. The sync button returns all settings to the driver's side settings. Touch AC to activate air conditioning, or Max AC, which recirculates the air while directing it to the upper body. Recirculation can be turned on and off manually. The Smart Climate tab offers climate control shortcuts such as clearing fog and ice from the windshield, directing warm air to the footwell, the steering wheel, and more. Touch the power switch in the main climate menu to turn the system off.